I hear YouTube is making people rich. Is that right? I'm not so sure, but I'm seeing the videos. There are lots of people showing and starting YouTube channels and claiming that they're making money, but not overnight. The idea is not overnight. So I really just wanted to talk about this video title that I've seen, flying about. It sounds way too good to be true, and I just can't believe it. I'm hoping that yes, on YouTube you make quite a lot of money. I've seen evidence of it, and I'm hoping to build my own retirement from it at 42. So I'm here encouraging other 40-year-old women to come and start creating YouTube channels. But to be realistic, it's not overnight success. I follow a couple of small channels who have grown, and they continue to grow steadily and rapidly, but I would definitely not say it's an overnight success. Yes, they're putting in the work. I mean, look at DoorDash. She is putting in a lot of work. If you can do that every day, just pumping out content, making videos twice a day, then yes, you're in it to make the money. I see Dante London doing it as well. I haven't seen anyone in the UK doing that. Maybe I need to go and refine my search results. But if you think it's an overnight miracle, I'd like to let you know that you can stroll away from this video right now because it is more than just luck. Yes, there's a lot of work going on in the background. People are getting monetized with strategy. I think that's the way I'd like to think about it. In the time that I took a break, I watched lots of YouTube videos and I learned quite a lot. I actually took notes. Where's my notes? I have a lot. I took a lot of notes from how people are having this overnight success, and it's not really it, because when you delve into people's YouTube channels and you go into videos and you click oldest, you will actually see that they have been learning the ropes. Some people have been on the channel for as long as 8 years and they never got monetized, but then they decided during this time, in the past couple of months, that they would be churning out content daily and just focusing on it. But of course, whatever you focus on grows, right? So that is it. And that coincidentally happens to match the time when YouTube decided that they would update their business strategy as well, which is, in doing so, part of their strategy is they would focus on small content creators to help them grow, get eyeballs on them, bring them onto the explore page a lot more, so that it increases the likelihood of consumers watching those small channels. By the end of the day, it's a strategy for YouTube to make more money through advertisers. And I think we, as women over the age of 40, should take advantage of this time, because it's not going to last forever. YouTube makes money, and we are going to take advantage of it to start to create a life of financial freedom for ourselves. At least that's what I think. So if you can do the YouTube, if you can, I don't know, it baffles me even. If you can create content as fast as you can talk, then I would definitely say go for it. I would encourage you to strictly go for it, because yes, YouTube can make you rich like that, but not like that, if you get what I mean. YouTube is a platform that is so great. It plays really well out of all social media platforms. It allows anyone to monetize their passion, to turn their passion into a profitable business, if that is what you're going for. But also with the right strategy and focus and consistency, yes, you can grow like no other platform can. I don't see anybody who's blown up on Instagram like that. At least no one is talking about it. And the real secret is making use of the algorithm as it is now, but also creating content that people want to watch. You will find out that the longer you are on this platform, the more you learn about it. In that you will be conflicted between creating content that you want to watch and content that people want to watch or they are searching for. So that's something to be mindful of. We don't want it to feel like work. We want it to feel like play. And in doing that, you want to try a few things that a lot of content creators are doing, which is one, that you find your niche. So find something that you really enjoy. I know a lot of people say that, oh no, the niche, yeah, I've said it as well. The niche is definitely you, but before you get to that stage, you need to have created content that people are looking for first, searchable content. So you need to find a niche that you can talk about for as long as you possibly can, something that fuels you as well, passionate about, so that you can very quickly get and attract the right audience for you. And then you want to create consistent content. Consistent content means, the more you produce, the better your chances of hitting that viral moment. Just like I can't remember his name, the dad and son duo at Live Video School. He says, the more you take the swing, the more you swing your bat. Obviously, it's an American English. I don't understand. I think it has to do with baseball. But he said the more swings you take, the more chances you have, in essence. And I think that's what it's about. You also want to engage with people. I got 2 subscribers yesterday, and somebody unsubscribed before the end of the day just by leaving comments on other people's videos and interacting in the comments section. So you have to learn to engage. You can't be on social media without being social. So you need to come on social media and be social with people. You also want to optimize your videos. Did you realize how I got into this video? Yes, there is a hook to it. It's meant to feel like a conversation, but at least there still needs to be a hook. And then you need to think of multiple ways to monetize, yourself, your skill, and your YouTube channel as well. A lot of people are saying monetize before you even get to the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. But for me, I'm not about that life, not yet anyway, because I don't think I know well enough to want to put into an ebook 400 subscribers. I'm not beating you if you're doing it. I'm just saying it. But I want you to understand that YouTube is not a get rich quick scheme. You really have to put in the work, and people are making money, not just from the ad revenue, which is the AdSense. They're making money through sponsorships and brand deals and, selling products, selling services, lots of things like that. So you have to remember, if you're committed to it, YouTube can definitely make you money. It's a gold mine, and the gold rush is now for anybody who's willing to, put in the effort and have lots of patience, absolutely lots of patience. Because I keep scrolling down and refreshing my YouTube studio, and I'm just thinking, oh my God, what am I doing? But I really do enjoy doing this. I enjoy speaking to myself. YouTube is not just for entertainment. It's a platform that can really change your life. And I can't say it has changed mine in tremendous ways or by a mile, but I am finding that I'm able to speak and articulate my thoughts a lot better, which is helping me in my place of work. So get started now. Go on create your own channel now. The time is now. So get on with it and tag me, please. I'm hoping to make friends on this platform. Tag me.